Colors of grease and their functions. 1. Red grease, high-temperature synthetic grease. Red grease is typically a high-temperature or synthetic lubricant designed for extreme conditions. It often contains additives like lithium complex or polyurea, providing excellent heat resistance up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and long-lasting performance. Common applications include wheel bearings, industrial machinery, and brake system components. The red color helps distinguish it from standard greases, ensuring proper usage in high-stress environments. 2. Blue grease, marine water-resistant grease. Blue grease is usually formulated for marine and wet environments, offering superior water resistance and corrosion protection. It often contains calcium sulfonate or other water-repellent additives, making it ideal for boat trailers, docks, and submerged equipment. The blue dye helps users identify its specialized waterproof properties, preventing accidental use in high-temperature or heavy-load applications where it may not perform optimally. 3. Green grease, eco-friendly biodegradable grease. Green grease is an environmentally friendly lubricant made from biodegradable base oils like vegetable or synthetic esters. It is non-toxic and used in agriculture, forestry, and marine applications where pollution risks exist. The green color signals its eco-safe composition, ensuring compliance with environmental regulations while still providing adequate lubrication for machinery in sensitive ecosystems. 4. Black grease, MOLY-EP grease for heavy loads. Black grease contains molybdenum disulfide, MOS2, a solid lubricant that provides extreme pressure EP protection. It is designed for heavy-duty applications like CV joints, ball joints, and mining equipment, where metal-to-metal contact is common. The dark color comes from the MOLY additive, which forms a protective layer on surfaces, reducing friction and wear under severe conditions. 5. White or clear grease, food-grade multipurpose. White or clear grease is often food-grade, NSFH1 certified, and used in food processing, pharmaceutical, and packaging machinery where incidental contact with consumables is possible. It is odorless, non-toxic, and resistant to wash-off. The colorless or white appearance indicates its purity and safety for use in hygienic environments, distinguishing it from industrial greases that may contain harmful additives. 6. Yellow or amber grease, lithium-based multipurpose grease. Conventional lithium-based multipurpose grease is typically yellow or amber, indicating its general-purpose use in automotive, agricultural, and household applications. It provides good water resistance, mechanical stability, and moderate temperature tolerance, up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. The color helps differentiate it from specialized greases, making it easy to identify for everyday lubrication tasks like chassis fittings and bearings. 7. Purple or pink grease, specialty synthetic blend greases. Purple or pink grease is often a premium synthetic blend with advanced additives for specific applications, such as high-speed bearings or aerospace components. These greases may offer extended service intervals, oxidation resistance, or compatibility with plastics and elastomers. The unique color helps prevent cross-contamination with standard greases in industrial settings.